464 days ago, another war started. Not in Ukraine, but in Israel. And the war is still going on against Hamas. Yes. Welcome today in the daily newspaper. Monday, January the 13th, 2025. We have here 3 regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the 3 stars, 4 stars Sudoku, and the binary. And in this newspaper, we have also an additional and extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars Sudoku. We have 2 jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it cipher block. In Japanese, suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve not now, but in the evening. Now I will do these 3 regular puzzles. And the first one I will do is the 3 stars Sudoku. This will be number 9893, I believe. Yeah, 9893. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle? Usually the 3 stars puzzle has 25 printed digits. This one has 1 digit more. Should be a 2 stars. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Well, it's indicated by the publisher with 3 stars. For 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Question is this a 3 stars or 2 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. 5 missing numbers in this column. 2 of those missing numbers are the 6 and the 9. You have 6 and a 9 in this big square, so no 6 and a 9 in these 3 boxes. 6 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 9 goes there, so 3 missing numbers in the first column for numbers. 1, 2 is missing. The 3, the 4 is missing. 2, 4. And the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2, 4, 7, 2, 4, 7, 2, 4, 7, 2, 4, 7. And look, we have 2 and a 7 in this row. So no 2 and a 7 in this box. 2 and 7 and goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 7, 2 and 7. We have 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. So 1 digit left in this column for number 4. Alright. Then, let me see. Alright. 1 in this row, 1 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place left 1 should be there. 8, 3, 5. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5 is missing, 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3, 5, 8. 3, 5, 8, 3, 5, 8, 3, 5, 8. Then look, we have 3 and a 5 in this column. So no 3 and a 5 in this box. The 3 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair, so 1 digit left in the third row for number 8. 5, 5. 6 in the third row. 6 in the second row. So in the first row. Only 2 places left. The 6 should be here or there. We have 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be there. 6. Come on. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in this row, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 9. Come on. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left, the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the first row, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 2, okay. 5, so we need a 5 here. In this column, we need a 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This box can be 5 because we have a 5 in one of those two boxes. In this big square, so no 5 there. This box can be 5. We have a 5 in the last row, so no 5 there. So the 5 could be here, here, or there. We see another 5 in this row, no 5 there. Another 5 in the middle row, no 5 there. The only place left the 5 in this column should be there. Right. 6, 6, okay. Then, need a 4 here. 2 should be there. I'm thinking 6. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 6 and a 1. We have 6 and a 1 in the second column, so no 6 and a 1 in these two boxes. 6 and a 1 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 6 and 1, 6 and 1. So what are the other 2 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. Nope, the 6 and the 7 is missing. 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. We have a 2 in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes and there. 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column. Oh, wait, we have a pair. The 2 and the 7 in the first column. The 2 and the 7 in the second column. So the third column, only 2 places left, and 2 and the 7 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes and there. 3, 4. 3, 4, 8. Come on, come on, come on. Need a 7 here. Need a 7 there. 1, 6, and 8. I need an 8 in this row. Well, here came an 8, we have 8 in this big row, so no 8 there. Here came an 8, we have 8 in this column, no 8 there. So the only place left 8 should be there. So 2 numbers left now in this row for numbers 1 and a 6, 1 and 6. We have 1 in this big square. No 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 box left now in this big square for number 6. 2, 2. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 3 and a 4. We have 3 and a 4 in this row, so no 3 and a 4 in these two boxes. 3 and 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. So what are the other 2 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 and a 4. 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 5 goes and there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place level 8. Should be there. 3 and a 5. We have 5 now in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 3 goes there. Alright. Then, well, 8, 8. 2 missing numbers in the last row. For numbers, the 1 is missing, and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 2 in the last column. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and 1 goes there. 1 in the last column, 1 in that column, so the column between. And only 3 places left, 1 should be here, here, or there. We have 1 in this row, no 1 there. We have 1 in that row, so no 1 there. The only place left 1 should be there. Then, I need 8 here, okay. 8, 3, 4. Come on, come on, come on. 4 and 9. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3. 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8. 9 is missing, 4 and the 9, 4 and the 9. We have a 9 in the middle column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 9 in the third row, 9 in the second row. So the first row, the only place level 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers in the first row for numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5 is missing, 3 and 5, 3 and 5. We have a 5 in the third column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there, so 1 is left. In this big square for the number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing here. 1 box left now in this column for the number, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 3 and 4, we have a 4 now in this middle column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing, 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and a 5, and a 6 is missing. 2 and a 6, 2 and 6. We have a 6 in the middle row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes in there. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so in the row above, the only 3 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 in that column, no 2 there. The only place left for the 2 should be there. Then, let me see. Need a 7 here. 8 in this column, 8 in the last column, so the column 3, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers 1 and 2, 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing, 3 and 4, 3 and 4. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 missing numbers now in this row for numbers 1. 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing, 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have 3 in this column, no 3 there, 3 should be here, 9 goes there. 3 in this column, last column, 3 in that column, so the column 3, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the last column, so the column 3, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, 7 is missing, 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. We have 6 in the last column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square, same numbers. No, not the same numbers. 1 and 2, 3. 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. We have a 7 in the last column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 4 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3. 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and the 5, 4 and the 5. We have a 4 in the last column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 5 goes there, finishes 11 minutes. Well, 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. 1 star, no. Should be at 0 stars and faster than 13 minutes. So, well, please with the time. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.